Hello everyone. So let's move forward with editing of our charts. Let's see something with respect to the axis. Now our axis title is present over here, but what if I want to move it at some different place? So for moving your axis title, you just have to select this, and once you see this 4 arrows, you click on that and you can move it wherever you want. So where you want to place it, you can place it. If I want to place it at the right hand side, I can place it there as well. Let's take it to the original position. So I have my chart title present over here. This is how we can move your title. Next is something called as chart area. So where your chart is present, I have just clicked on this, and whatever is selected is my chart area. Can you see it's present over here, chart area? You can increase the chart area. Okay, so you can just play with this size and you can increase or decrease your chart area. Let's see what is plot area. So this inside area, not everything, this inside area is my plot area. This inside rectangle that you can see where my chart is plotted, that is my plot area. As and when I was just doing this chart, I just clicked one thing that since all the bars are in blue color, but what if I want to highlight each and every bar with a different color, or two specific bars in different color? So for highlighting bars in different color, what you need to do is a simple thing. Once you click on this, click on the bar, you can see everything else is selected. All the 4 bars are selected. So again click on this. So only this bar is selected and all other bars are deselected. So once you click on this for 2 times, you can just click on format, go to shape fill and select a different color for your marketing bar. Similarly, I'll just select IT and select a different color for this as well. Select finance, select a different color, support, and again a different color for support as well. Let's select a darker shade from here. Okay, now you can see all the bars are in different colors. So this is how you can select different colors for your bars. I'll just press Ctrl Z and make everything blue again. Okay, coming to the plus sign where we left before, we were left with error bars. So error bars are, in this case, are not of use anymore, but I'll just tell you what exactly it is useful for. It is useful wherein you want to show the variability of your data. There are various options for error bars. There are standard error, percentage, standard deviation, more options as well. I'm not clicking on this. Clicking on legend. Now legend is the series of data. I'll just click on legend. This is a series of data which is present over here. Again, legend comes with different things. It can be right, it can be top. You can see the series is changing. It can be left. Okay, for us, legend is not useful. I'm not using it. Coming to trend line. Now, I'll just click on trend line and you can see there's a specific line which is now visible. Now trend line is actually useful when you have similar kinds of data and you want to see how the data changes with respect to time or months. For example, I have a company and I have sales of all 12 months. So I can see the trend, either it is decreasing or increasing trend with the help of a trend line, just to show you a visual graphical interpretation of your chart. For example, another example can be if I'm running my blog, I want to see what is the customer traffic each day. So I'll see the trend in my customer traffic, whether it is dropping or increasing day by day. So for that, trend lines can be again useful. So we do not want the trend lines over here. So everything with respect to the plus sign we have seen. Let's come to this particular chart style. Now currently our chart is very basic chart. If you want to make it or make the look of it a really different one, you can select on the chart style. So there are various chart styles which are available. You can select any of the chart style which suits you. Okay, so I'll just show you what are the different chart styles. These are the specific chart styles. Coming to our chart style, you can also change the color. Like for example, if I'm clicking on this, you can see the color of the bar charts changes. There are various chart styles again which are present. Coming to the chart filters. Now we have seen in one of the tutorials the use of filters with respect to data. But let's see the use of filters with respect to charts. So just click on the chart filters. And how are these filters useful? Now currently we have the bars or the chart for all the departments: marketing, IT, finance, support. What if I want to only see one department and its chart? So what you can do is deselect everything, keep only marketing and click on apply. Okay, or if I want to see 2 departments, I'll select marketing and IT and I'll click on apply. So two specific charts will be displayed. Then you can color it differently, or whatever editing you want to do, you can do with respect to this specific department. So yes, this is how our chart looks like, and we have seen all the editing options with the respect to charts and graphs.